In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Meta AI app using your PC, and we'll get it all done in just about 5 minutes. So let's dive in and make sure you're all set up without any hassle. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser on your PC. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or whichever one you feel most comfortable with. Once your browser is open, go ahead and enter the Meta AI official website URL in the address bar. It's always a good idea to ensure you're visiting the official site to avoid any security risks, so double check that web address before hitting enter. Now, once you've landed on the homepage of the Meta AI website, you'll need to sign in. You can use your existing Meta account credentials for this step. If you've got a Facebook account, you can use it since Meta accounts are intrinsically linked with Facebook. If you're not already signed in or don't have an account, this is your cue to log in or take a moment to create one. It's a straightforward process. Just follow the prompts on the website. After you've successfully signed in, you'll be presented with a couple of options. You may choose to use the web version of the Meta AI platform directly. This option is great if you have strong internet connectivity and want to access it from anywhere without downloading anything. However, if you prefer to have the application directly installed on your PC for perhaps a more dedicated and potentially smoother experience, look for the download option for the desktop app. Once you've decided to download, click on the designated download link for your computer's operating system. It's usually easy to spot, and once clicked, the download should initiate automatically. Keep an eye on your download manager or the browser's download area to know when it's complete. After the file finishes downloading, locate it in your downloads folder or wherever your downloads are usually stored. Double-click on the installer file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. These instructions will guide you through the setup process, and you may be prompted to make a few selections, like agreeing to the terms of service or choosing an installation location on your PC. Finally, once the installation is complete, you're all set to start using Meta AI right from your desktop. Open the app and take a few moments to explore its features and capabilities. This is where the fun begins, as you can now harness the power of Meta AI right at your fingertips. And there you have it, a straightforward and concise way to get the Meta AI app up and running on your PC. Thanks for following along and enjoy exploring the tool.